Okay, I'm gonna show you how to download your YouTube 1099 tax form. Every year they change it and makes it more difficult. Here in 2021, I was trying to get my tax form and I sent a help request and they said I didn't have any taxes due this year, which it went on and on. But here go how easy it is to check it. Okay, here we go. First, what you want to do is open up your Adsense form. So you go to your Adsense, and then what you want to do is go to payments. Down there at payments, you go to payment information, and you go down to the bottom to where it says manage settings. Once you click on the manage settings, you scroll down until you find United States tax information. You click that and you put manage tax information. Once you hit the manage tax information, as you can see down here, it has mine for 2021. So you can just click that 1099 miscellaneous. And if you have the two-step, you got to enter your ID and your passcode and hit next, and then your form will pop up. So the next thing you will have to do is just either go there to the top and hit the download, or you can print it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit download. Once I hit download, you can save it to whatever folder you want. If you got a particular folder that you save all your information in, tax information, you could go ahead and put it in that folder, and that's it. And that's how you get your tax 1099 form from Google, Adsense, or YouTube. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.